I'm gonna install this sequential light kit for my 24 Toyota Grand Highlander Limited. It comes pretty nicely packaged. So there it is. I got the smoke version. I think there are like 2 or 3 others. There's a complete blackout. So I just went, somewhere in the middle, and it even comes with the tools, screwdriver and a pry tool, which I already got mine. So I've watched a couple of videos. I mean, this mirror is on a lot of different models, but I guess depending on what actual car you got. So I was hoping that I didn't have to take out this mirror, because I've seen a couple of different models that they could access it from the front. Well, mine, I can't, because I think those models, the screws, there's 2 screws that you gotta take out, and it's in here. This one is in there. So you gotta take out that, which is a T10. You need a Torx, a T10, and maybe that one. But I'm gonna start with this and this to see if I can take it out like that. But the cover, I basically used the pry tool to sort of start on this edge and come out, and it pops out. Don't start on that side, because that's the hardest side for some reason, and don't break it. Yeah. So I've taken out 2 Torx screws inside, this one and this one. So those 2, that one and that one. And to get this out, there's a hook there and 2 hooks that you gotta squeeze together to pull out. Alright, so this ended up being a bigger of a mess than the other videos I saw online. So there are 4 that you gotta take out. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so basically this whole front part comes out. I don't think you needed to pull it out, but once I took out those screws, it came out. Because if I didn't take out those screws, this just would not budge. So I think there's a screw in there, but yeah, I got it out. And even this one is hanging on by, by a thread. This one will come out too. So it's for the Grand Highlander Limited, at least it's a little bit more involved. It's not, a 5-minute job. So there it is. There's the plug. And you just gotta try which one, because from the videos that I've seen, it goes both ways. It's it's not gonna go in just one way. So we'll see. All right, so we got that in. Now we're gonna put back this monstrosity. So that's that. And it's about 7:52 in the morning. The sun's out there. Let's go have a peek at what this other one looked like. So yeah, I think the light is just right here, and it just kind of tries to take it all out there. And here's this one. I'm gonna take out that plastic before I put it back in. I wish I had a tripod so I could show you guys, but yeah. So I got it back in there. I just gotta put the Torx back in. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you hook it up, that'll tighten up. So you gotta watch out from the bottom. Like, you gotta line this up. This has to go under here. So this has to go under here. And when you button everything up, It should be, you know, tight. Make sure the hooks are right. Everything's aligned. Everything's aligned, and those came back, and the wire is tucked in there vertically like the old one. Alright, so I buttoned everything up. Let's see the fitment on the bottom. Fits good. It even has the foam. Obviously it's going to be hidden. Now that I tighten up those torque screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, everything is tightened up there. So now you gotta plug this back up, because this mirror has those 2 plugs and the other one over there. For me, this was easier than to do that. I did try to pull that off. It's just a little bit more delicate. So put this back and snap it back on. It clips on all of these. When I took it out, I just pulled from this inner top part, pull out, and that should be that. All right, so there it is. It's done. It took about half an hour. I'm not gonna bother to show you the other side. It's the same, but now that I kind of know what to do, it's gonna take a little bit less than half an hour, because I was expecting everything to be in the front, screws and everything. I wasn't expecting to tear this whole thing out, but yeah, that's what you got to do. Compare that. 3, 2, 1 with this, and this side is even under a shadow, so it should, you know, look brighter. This is the factory, but yeah, I like it. Let me know what you think. I really wish I could have done a better job on showing you guys. I just didn't have my tripod.